In this video, we will drive the one formula for product to sum and one formula for sum to product identities. We're going to use two identities to begin with. First one is sine of x plus y equal to sine of x cosine of y plus cosine of x sine of y. Then we use sine of x minus y equal to sine of x cosine of y minus cosine of x sine of y. The plan is to add the left-hand sides of the two identities and set it equal to the sum of the right-hand side of the two identities. Very quickly, I noticed that the right-hand sides both contain sine of x cosine of y, and I can combine these two into sine of x cosine of y. I also noticed that there are two terms that are of opposite signs, but the absolute values are the same, so the two of those are canceling each other out. Here we arrive at sine of x plus y plus sine of x minus y from the two left-hand sides is equal to 2 sine of x cosine of y. From here, if I solve for sine of x cosine of y, we get the first product to sum identity. Sine of x cosine of y is equal to 1/2 of sine of x plus y plus sine of x minus y. To find the sum to one sum to product identity, remember in the last page when we were trying to find the product to sum identity, we arrived at this formula. Now, the plan is to find the sum to product. Therefore, we're going to assume that x plus y and x minus y are two new variables. I'm going to assume that x plus y is the u variable and x minus y is the v variable. So I can replace x plus y in the formula by u and x minus y by v. The only problem is, how do I replace x and y? Then there comes a nice technique to solve for x and y in terms of u and v. This technique appears in later in calculus courses also. And the technique is to eliminate y between these two formulas to arrive at by basically summing the left-hand side and the right-hand sides. And that gives you u plus v equal to 2x. And eliminating x between the two formulas by subtracting the left-hand side and the right-hand sides, which gives you u minus v is equal to 2y. Then we can replace x by u plus v over 2 and y by u minus v over 2 in this formula. We already had replaced x plus y by u and x minus y by u. So we arrive at sine of u plus sine of v equal to 2 sine of u plus v divided by 2, cosine of u minus v divided by 2. That is just one of the formulas for sum to product identities. And we will have a three product to sum identities as well. And we only showed one of those in this video. The rest of them are very similar. Following the notes on your book is going to help you arrive at all the other derivations.